In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create download pages in Wix. A clean, trustworthy download page makes it easy for visitors to grab your ebook, PDF, guide, or resource without confusion, and it gives you a professional hub you can link to from emails and social posts. First, open your Wix editor, log in, go to My Sites, and click Edit Site on the website where you want to add the download page. Once the editor loads, create the page itself. Open Menus and Pages, choose Add Page, and pick either a blank layout for full control or a template that already has a structure you like. Give the page a clear name so you can recognize it later. If you don't want it visible in your main navigation, you can hide it from the menu and share the link directly. Now add the heart of the page, the download button. Go to Add Elements, select Button, and drag one onto the canvas. Place it in a prominent spot and style it so it stands out against your background. Next, connect the file. With the button selected, click Link, choose Document, and upload your file, whether it's a PDF, an ebook, or a guide. After it finishes uploading, select it and confirm. It's a good idea to use a short, descriptive file name so users know what they're getting. Update the button text to something clear and action-driven, like Download Now or Get Your Free Guide. Short, direct labels improve clicks and reduce confusion. If you'd like to capture leads before the download, add a Wix form above the button. Keep the form brief. Name and email are usually enough. And be transparent about what subscribers will receive. Add a short description to set expectations. Explain what the download includes, who it's for, and how it helps. You can include format and approximate file size to prevent surprises. And consider adding a small cover image or icon for visual trust. Quick note before we test. If you need a direct link to Wix or any sample files mentioned, check the top of the description. Links are placed there for easy access. Preview your page and test the button. Make sure the file opens or downloads correctly on desktop, then switch to the mobile view and verify spacing, text size, and that the button is easy to tap. When everything looks good, click Publish to make your download page live. Copy the page URL and share it, or add it to your site's navigation if it's meant to be public. Thanks for watching.